Hey y'all, in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the plastic strap from an old cap and putting it on a brand new one. Our first move is to remove the old cap and pull out the plastic strap that's on top of the old gas cap. Our next step is to find a drill bit that fits slightly smaller than the actual hole on the old gas cap. We just want to make sure that the plastic piece is pre-strapped on. After verifying the cap looks exactly like the old cap, make sure you get a plastic strap piece and put it inside the hole. It might be slightly tight, but you'll be able to get it done. Once completed, when installing the plastic strap, you're able to throw out the old one and put in the new gas cap.